Reclaiming storytelling is not about romanticizing the past. It is about restoring connection. Oral tradition also carried emotional healing. Telling stories allowed people to process pain instead of burying it. It allowed trauma to be witnessed, lessons to be shared, and humanity to be affirmed. Silence, on the other hand, often allowed wounds to repeat themselves unchecked. Reclaiming storytelling is not about romanticizing the past. It is about restoring connection. Families must learn to ask questions again. Children must learn to listen again. Elders must understand that their memories are valuable, even if they were never written in books. Every family carries history worth preserving. When stories disappear, people lose. When stories disappear, people lose pieces of themselves. But when stories are restored, identity begins to breathe again. Let's breathe life back into us. Let's breathe life back into our identity.